Familiar with that? How that looks? Right, so if we're able to picture this in our heads every time we're in a quiz or we're doing conjugations, it's an easy, organized way to memorize, organize the conjugations of verbs. So with that, we're gonna go with getting in there in a word. We're gonna go with AR since you guys know it. So estudiar. What does estudiar mean?
Oh, estudiar. To study.
To study?
Yeah.
Agree?
Yes.
To study. Raise a hand who can conjugate the first one. So raise your hand. Hands?
Yo estudio.
And
Your hands. Raise your hand. Very
Yo
good.
estudiar.
Yo what?
Yo estudiar.
Let's do that. Okay, so when we're conjugating, we're gonna drop the AR, right? What's your name?
Parker.
Parker, right. So every time we're gonna conjugate, this is infinitive, right? This is infinitive. So infinitive is estudiar. So now when we want to conjugate, we're gonna want to drop the AR, right? So if it's yo, we need to know that the yo goes to what? Switch, replaces the AR to what? An O. Alright, and then if I want to say to you, to someone, bless you, what is it going to turn to? The ending, the last two endings.
Estudioso.
AS. Every time. AS. Do is on the AS. And then él, ella, and usted is going to go to what?
A.
A. Yeah. And then nosotros is going to go to what? What is it? Amos. Alright, you guys know this. And then the last one? AN, right? So, is there any strategies for you guys to memorize, like, what they are? Like, how are you gonna know when it's gonna end with the AS or AMOS? So, the way I do it is, estudiar, AR, right? I grab the first letter, right? A. If it's A, if we're dealing with AR, the ending is most likely gonna end with an A. Except for yo. Yo and all of them are going to be an O. Yo, always O. So you can memorize that. Yo, always O. Say that? Yo, always O. There you go. So that's never going to change. It's always going to be O. So now if we go into the other ones, we see that the first letter is in AR is A. So on do, it's going to be us. Of course, it starts with an A. You just have to remember that do always has the S in the end. And then él, ella, usted is going to have an A. It's always going to be by itself, right? And then nosotros is going to be amos. And then ellos, I. Right? And now we go on to ER. You guys haven't done ER, right? Right? Alright. So yo is going to be what? For the ER.
Oi.
Oh, right?
Oh.
And then for
Yes.
for do, it's gonna go for what is it gonna be?
Yes.
Oh, yes, kidding.
Oh.
Remember, grab each letter for the first one. That's how you're gonna know. So what is it?
Yes.
Yes. And then I'll just put that because I know write all of it. So what's
Is it just E?
just E, right? Yeah. Why? Because this third one on AL instead is only gonna have only one, right? So it's E.
What's that?
So raise your hand. Who knows this? Nosotros on the ER format.
Hemos.
Raise your hand. Alright. Why? How do you know that? Oh, well, you know. Okay. Alright. So how do we know that for nosotros it's hemos? Why? Because you always grab the E, right? So how about for, what's your name? What's your name?
Amaya.
Amaya. All right, for ellos, what are you gonna do?
It's EN.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Good. And now we're gonna go with the IR. This is where it kind of gets a little tricky because it's not gonna be the same thing as the rules that we've been going here. So yo is gonna be what? Everyone say it? Oh. Alright, there we go. And then do? Well, what? Okay, now this is where it gets, I want to teach you guys this. So IR and ER share the same similarities, okay? So with that being said,
EIS?
ES. ES, alright? ES. It's going to share the same thing except the nosotros form. Alright, so we're going to go ES, and then L is going to have what? It will share the same thing as the ER? E, right? Okay. And nosotros is the only form where the IR is going to pick up its own letter. Its own letter. Alright? The we is going to be, so what is it going to be?
Emos?
Was that? What is it?
Emos?
Emos. There you go. And then we're going to go back to normal here. What is it going to be for ellos on IR? EN. There you go. So, let's see if you guys pay attention. What's the difference between the IR and ER? What differences are there? And what? On nosotros, why? What does the ER nosotros have?
One has I and one has E.
It has what?
One has E and then one has I.
Exactly. Right? And then that's pretty much it for that. And then okay, what does all of them have in common? With what? What do they have? Yo. Okay. Yeah. So how now how can we tell what's the strategy we can use to know whether it's going to be an amos, emos, emos, or A or E or an I? What are
Where
these?
are the letters?
First letter, right? Oh, definitive. There you go. So now we're going to practice together, all right? So let's do the averages. We're going to do a ER. Who knows this word? Who knows this word?
To eat.
To eat, right? So hopefully you guys can write this down. Are you guys writing this down?
Yes.
I want you guys to write down these things on your iPad. So I'll give you guys a few seconds to do that. Because these are important things to know. That way when you guys need to study, because all you really need is whenever you have a verb, you just need to plug them in. That's literally it. Alright, you guys ready? You guys good? You guys all ready? Raise your hands when you guys are ready. Maybe you guys 20 more seconds. Alright, well we're gonna go on and I'm gonna leave it here until the end anyway, so you guys will be able to write it down. So now we're gonna practice together. Alright, so I need all you guys' attention. So comer. We're gonna go, what's the first one?
Como?
Yo como,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Como. Okay, at least I need hands here now. I need one. Who here can get Jessica? Alright. What's the second form? Huh?
Commas.
What's the whole thing?
Two commas.
Accent or no?
Accents.
Okay. What is it?
Commas.
Comas. How?
Oh wait. Commas.
Comas. Okay. Why? Why is it comas?
Because it's new, so it should be something else. And
Alright.
it's
How'd you get the E?
so it's yes.
Huh?
Because it's N with ER, so it's yes.
Okay. Good. One thing I always say why. Because if you guys are able to explain it to me, that means you guys are comprehending it. Alright? I mean, it's easy just to, know maybe what it is. But if you guys are able to explain to me why, as to how you got this, I mean, that means you guys know it very well. So, can I get a hand for the third one? Partner.
Okay, so it's gonna be el, ella, usted, and then colma,
How?
colma.
Okay, so the first step here,
Oh!
the first step to be, we're gonna identify, it's an ER, right?
This is gonna be come.
There you go. Why?
Because it's an ER.
ER, right? And you get the first letter, right?
Yeah.
There you go. Nice. Alright, who can get the fourth one? Please. Hand? What's your name? Elizabeth. Alright. What's the third one? So how would we the whole with the subject pronoun?
Nosotros comemos.
How'd you get that?
Because nosotros and then it starts with an E.
I get you. Okay, good. So how about the last one? Right here. What's your name? Moni? Moni. Alright. What's the third? What's the fourth one?
Ellas, ustedes comen.
Comen? Yeah. How'd you get that?
The ER. So it's E.
Sweet. Alright. Now let's see. You guys got the ER. Sweet. Now let's go with the IR. If you guys are able to get this, we're set, guys. So, first one.
First one, yo vivo.
Yo what?
Yo vivo.
Yo vivo. How did you get that? Why do you think, why is it an O? Why isn't it anything else?
All yo vivo.
There you go. Sweet. Alright, second one. Anyone else? Love it, but hold up. Go back.
Tu vives?
Tu vivas. How did you get that?
I just looked up and found it. So you just take off the I and have vives.
Yes.
Vives.
You got it, you got it. Who can get the fourth one? What's your name?
Adam.
Adam? Alright, can you go and get the fourth one?
Nosotros vivimos.
Vivimos, and why?
Because the IR begins now.
So, anyone else, I want you guys to be writing these examples down. Alright? Write these examples down. Alright. How about the fifth one? Good job, Adam. Someone else. It's not Parker. Anyone else on this side, the right side? Let's go.
Viven.
What is it?
Ellos viven.
Ellos viven. Why?
Because IR is the same as ER. Conjugation.
Except for what?
The nosotros.
Sweet. There we go. So now we got that. Can we want to do it over an AR? Want to go through an AR?
Yeah.
We'll go through an AR. Alright. You guys know what this is?
Oh,
To crack